And I was at a farmer's market a couple of weeks ago, and there was a guy there who was a vegan baker. So he made brownies, cakes, pastry, all vegan, all made without butter, eggs, milk, joy. But that's the applause break? Okay. We found the level of the room. All right. So this vegan baker, though, he had the best sign. All he did on his sign, he had testimonials, but they weren't quite the testimonials that you would expect. He had testimonials of all the things people said when they tried his stuff or went near it. Things like, surprisingly good. Actually not that bad. And why's everything got to be vegan these days? And his sign brings me to the other thing that comedians do, and when you're trying to find comedy, this is all you need to know. Truth is funny. There you go. Truth, secret of comedy, timing. Truth is funny. That vegan baker had a line for vegan pastry. He had a line of people lined up. And talk about curiosity. I went shooting across the way to go talk to him and buy myself some vegan pastry. I bought a vegan Bakewell tart. Actually not that bad. But why's everything got to be vegan these days? Truth is funny. All he did on his sign that made us laugh was reflect back exactly the same things, word for word, that he heard 1,000 times a weekend. Not a single joke, but it was hilarious. Truth is funny. Life is absurd. People are bonkers. Truth is